Cewri'r gorffennol, arwyr y presennol. Pwy sy'n mynd â hi? A mae'r golwr oddi ar I linell!
Wedi methu.
Am ddiffyn gwych. A hynny gan Jamie Crowther. Nath yr amddiffynwr Mike Williams a ddau godi'r bêl rydd yn ôl o mewn at y postyn pella yna. Ond dwi'n dal I feddwl bod Crowther wedi gwneud yn ardderchog.
A dwi'n meddwl dylai Mark Williams di sgorio.
Ac ar Malcolm Allen o'ch chi, wrando wrth gwrs. Nawr te mynd y waith gwych yn ymosodol. Mae Jamie Breeze wedi rhoi Caernarfon ar y blaen. Fe dorodd y bêl yn garedig I'w lwyburo. A wedyn, doedd na ddim camgymeriad. Mae'r corwynt wedi chwythu'r hwyl o hwyliau Bangor. Breeze yn sgorio. Bangor dim. Caernarfon 1.
Wel, mae'n wych gan Gareth Evans. Wedyn mae Breeze efo lot I wneud. Mae'n gwybod, os ga I troedd chweithio yna'n mynd â hi heibio'r ddau chwaraewr, dwi'n mynd I giro ras. Gweld o golwr yn mynd I lawr, a mewn chodi hi dros fo, ac I gornel o rwyd.
Robbie Parry, mae o wedi bod yn brysur, mae'n trio bopeth. Nawr te, Breeze, tu ôl rhan ddiffi, mae tu ôl I Piggott. Mae Breeze a'i benni lawr, mae Breeze yn gry. Mae'r golwr am unwaith I gyd yn arbennig o dda. Fe ddoth allan, a mae wedi glynu at y bêl hefyd.
Mae rai fi ddweud am Piggott, mae rai fod ysgyd oes o'r gol. Fydda fi'n mynd mewn ras. Mae rai fi ddweud llathan neu ddwy I fi cael dechrau ar yr hediad.
A do'n ni'n y funud ola yn yr eiliadau ola o'r 45. Ydy Bangor yn mynd I gael y gol. Mae ar draws pawb! Nawr te, oedd Parry yno, oedd Piggott yno. Wedi fflachio ar draws y gol.
Dwi'n deud Piggott oedd I. Dwi yna rwy'n nath o redag i'r postyn gyntaf, mi gath o gyffyrddiad llai. Oedd Parry ar y postyn bella, oedd. Ond dwi'n meddwl gath o gyffyrddiad.
Mae'r glaw yn dechrau chwipio unwaith eto, ond nath Caernarfon ddim cael gafel yn y gêm mewn gwirionedd. Mae Breeze, rhoi cyfle da fan hynny, Evans! A wyddoch chi be, mae'r golwr ma'n tyfu mewn dylanwad, mewn hyder. A mi ddyle Evans di sgorio dim am heiaeth am hynny, a mae Caernarfon di methu dau gyfle da rwan. A mae'r cyfnod yma chwarae yn tanlinellu'r ail hanner yma. Mae mor fler, ond allwch chi'n cymryd y llygad oddi arni, ac mae rhaid I rhywbeth ddigwydd. A mae'r dorf yma yn mynd I ffrwydro rhywbryd am ryw ddigwyddiad. Mae hwnna mewn at Edwards! A mae wedi cael ei benni ddi, ac mae wedi'r rhoed I nghornel yr hoed o flaen I gefnogwyr. Yr arwr mawr, 35 mlwydd oed. Un o stalwart y gêm bêl-droed yng Nghymru. Fe gafodd yr lle, fe gafodd yr cyfle. Oedd y bron iawn methu credu'r peth I hun, ond mae di manteisio. Bangor 1, Caernarfon 2.
Mae'r pŵar ar y troesiad yn wysu hi mewn, a jyst yw gyffyrddiad bach, a mae'n gorffen yn gornel y rwyd.
You know, it's only just now the weather's held off, to be fair, and you know, I'll firstly say, you know, it's full credit to the ground staff. I was here at about 5:30 to get the game ahead, and you know, I thought it was a decent game. In all honesty, you know, we just sort of shut up shop at the end there, but you know, the man left to me showing a lot of discipline, as well as a lot of the boys, like, to be fair, and you know, fair play to Gaz Eds. I think it was Krause's cross, and obviously Gaz has got on the end of that there, and like I said right at the start, Nick, it was for the fans more than anything, to be fair. We've seen the noise that they made, and yeah, I'm going to enjoy this one, because I think now I realise how much it meant to the fans of Caernarfon.
Our lads knew what they were up against. They knew what we were going to expect, a team who play long ball, who just try and get it into the front man as quick as possible, and we had to deal with that. But at the end of the day, I thought the lads give a great account of ourselves, the way we played, and as I say, they're all gutted because we know we were the better team and should have won the game.
There was so much anticipation ahead of this one as well. You know, how tough was it to play in?
Not tough at all, I'll be honest. As a group, we've been buzzing all week, looking forward to it. Training Tuesday, Thursday was really, really bright, probably the sharpest I've seen it since I've been here. And kicking off late on a Saturday was tough. You know, speaking to a couple of the boys on the way up, you know, sitting around all day waiting for this to come along has been, you know, it was nerve-wracking. But yeah, once you step over that white line and you know the fans behind us singing all the way through, we really enjoyed it, and you know, to get the win is massive.
A pha mor bell ydych chi'n meddwl fedrwch chi fynd yn y gwpan yma?
Wel, tod yn 8 ola wan, felly pam ddim mynd all the way a Ewrop fy nesa. Dyna di target fi'n personol. Yr ogiau I gyd hefyd, achos pan gathon ni cyfarfod dechrau tymor, o pob gorlechau dias o be o targets ni am y tymor. Ac o'r ogau gyd dweud pam ddim mynd am Ewrop. Tymor gyntaf ni'n mynd amdani, llawn confidence a ddweud oedden ni'n credu oedden ni'n gallu neud o.
And looking ahead now as well, you know, a game like this is such a special occasion and it must be something that the club wants to be part of.
Yeah, definitely. You look at the fans, you know, it was sellout, absolute great atmosphere, both sets of fans. You know, you couldn't ask for any more. Two teams going at it, battling it out, and, you know, that's what this club should be about.